Hello.
Hello.
So we are here, the mobile hair replacement stylist today. We are doing a video, a fit-in for Dave, his new system. This is a little Ivy, by the way, but we're doing a new fit for Dave at Dave's house. So we've travelled all the way here, and this is it. Pretty much going for the same as last time.
Noodles.
We've got Noodles the dog over there as well. But we're going for the same as last time. We've got 50% grey going through just the front and just middle area. And then all the way around the back and sides, perimeters and the crown area, we're going for 20% grey. Now the only difference with this one is we've now chose synthetic grey. So in a minute I'm going to put some hot water over the whole hair system, which I'll show you on camera. Just to show you how to get those synthetic grey straight, because the advantage of synthetic grey is that when obviously heading into the summer now, we can colour it. We can colour the base colour when it starts to fade, when it starts to oxidise, without losing this grey percentage. But if it was human grey, we'd colour it straight out. So Dave's last system was human grey. This one's synthetic, slightly harder to cut, slightly harder to style, but nevertheless, it will be better for the summer. Right, so here we are. I'm just going to put the boiling water over the greys. Now, this looks brutal. I've done this in another video, but it's perfectly safe for the system. It will straighten all the synthetic greys, make it easier to cut, easier to style. And you've got to do this about once a month, incidentally, each time you have a regroom, because the greys go a bit crinkly, so you just need to do this after you've cleaned it once a month before it goes back on again. Perfect. Right, so we are off and running with the new one. Just get Dave's hair cut on the back and sides first.
If it does go white though, Mike, don't cause any problems, does it? It just means it's got to cool down.
It's just where moisture's got in the glue before it's had a chance to set and cure properly. And all that happens is you just leave it to be, let your head cool down, and when the sweat or moisture evaporates, then the transparency comes back and the glue goes back to being how it should be. I'll apply the glue at the front, and Dave's going to go for a tape attachment around the back and sides, but first...
That's just nasty. Just nasty.
Oh, my favourite bit. You look like I tell you, you look like the old lady off of Postman Pat. Is it the post office lady?
Yes.
Yes, that's the one. Right, so it's all bonded down now. Just getting the clips in, ready for cutting. So beautiful hairline as usual. Glue's a little bit shiny at the moment, but that will go to a sort of a matte finish as it continues to dry. But just zoom in a little bit on the grey percent. Just remember this is 50% synthetic grey. Look at the blend, the colour, how it matches on the temples there, how that will blend into Dave's natural greys, and then it kind of like reduces into 20% as it goes around. The light's not great, but yeah, gives you an idea of how it will look. Right, and then we'll start to cut and blend the perimeters first into Dave's natural hair. So as promised, we got the daylight shot. It's raining a bit, so I don't know if any rainwater is getting on any drops getting on the lens, but look at that for a colour match. Absolutely spot on. 20%, as we said before, keep saying it, into 50%. Obviously got the synthetic grey. But yeah, looks amazing. And yeah, really zooming in on, I'm looking at it seamless. You cannot tell where the system ends and Dave's hair begins. But yeah, that's that new 20%. I think it was 15 before, so that's a much better percentage now. Blends great. On top. You come and turn the fan on, please? It's absolutely boiling.
Thanks, Ivy. Not that powerful, mate.